What is up, YouTube? Today we are doing a sponsorship video. Motorcycle Pit Mat sent me a custom motorcycle mat, and it is for the Aprilia here. The duct tape here is just to cover my address because I don't need you guys knowing where all these beautiful motorcycles are. Kind of looks like a dealership in here, but that one is not mine. I'm excited to get this unboxed. It's supposed to match the Aprilia spot on. I worked with them. I already have an idea of what it looks like, but I haven't seen it in person. So let's do it. Wrapping's a little interesting. It didn't come in a box. It was shipped just like this. So let's see how we can get this open here. Yes, I worked on with it a little bit. There should be maybe 3 surprises on this thing. We'll see. I haven't seen it in person yet, so you are going to see it with me. Whoa, that worked too well. I hope I'm not cutting the mat. I didn't cut the mat. There we go. Yo, that is dope. All right, let's see what it looks like on the floor. Wow. Wow. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It does match the Aprilia really well, though. I'm glad I didn't do the bigger one because this is huge. So I got my Instagram handle right there. I got the OnlyFans handle right there. And then my clothing brand, which is not open right now, but I have it. Oh yeah, looks amazing. It matches the bike. It's got the Italian colors. Has a little bit of gold to go with the forks. White, obviously, to go with some of the white accents and me. And then there is red. A lot of red, because we need that. Alright, let's get the bike on top of it. Ooh. I'm out of breath. I'm not out of shape. I'm just what's the right word for it? Not in shape. Alright, let's get this thing. You know, the Aprilia feels so light when you ride it. Moving it around, it doesn't exactly feel light. I need to put it on a stand. That's what I need to do. I don't want to do that though. I think it's over there. But it does look good. Look at that. Alright. Of course, I shoved all the stands all the way in there, so it's not easy to get this thing out. Ooh, putting a bike on a stand is always so scary, especially when you're by yourself. See if I can do it. And if I can't, then I'll get an accident on video. Oh my god. This bike refuses to go on a stand easily. There we go. It is on. Just need to tuck this in and then scooter back. Beautiful. Oh, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. Look at that. Oh my god, that is beautiful. If you guys want to get yourself one of these mats for your motorcycle, click on the link in the description below. I have a code that will get you $20 off your next order. It is Rouge Wheels, no underscore, just Rouge Wheels together. It doesn't only have to be custom mats. They have custom mats, but they also just have pre-made mats. If you just want one that's made for a Tuono and a Aprilia RSV4, they do have a base, like a regular one, but then they have custom ones like this. So, but they got, you know, things for Kawasaki, Yamaha, I mean pretty much everything. And then if they don't have it, then you gotta go with the custom route. But I mean, look at this. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. Should be a short YouTube video. There's not too much to say about it other than it's beautiful. I mean, the colors, I thought maybe the gold wouldn't look good, but the gold obviously is tying in the forks, and that's just perfect. Just the perfect amount of accent, because I just wanted to do like simple red and white and maybe a little bit of that, the green, white, red and all that, but I am very happy with this. Very, very happy with this. Alright, that's pretty much all I got for this video today. Thank you, Motorcycle Pit Match, for sending out this beautiful custom mat for me that matches my Aprilia RSV4 1100. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys will go pick yourself up one of these. Remember, click on the link in the description below and use my code ROUGEWHEELS. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and hope you guys have an amazing day.